Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the review of the Storm Night Road with the 4K fast finish. I absolutely love this ball, but I do want to introduce you to another product by Storm, Reactive Scuff, with covers that use 4K fast. This is a product you definitely want to have in your bag. I recommend every 3 to 6 games that you clean it with Reactive Scuff. It'll keep that solid finish on your bowling ball. Thank you very much.